In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a check in QuickBooks online. Whether you're a small business owner, a bookkeeper, or someone managing day-to-day finances, knowing how to print checks correctly can really streamline your payment process. Once you learn the steps, you'll find it's a simple and reliable task you can complete anytime. Let's go through it together. Start by signing into your QuickBooks online account. From the homepage, click the Sign In button and enter your username and password. Accessing the correct QuickBooks environment ensures all your banking and expense information is in place and ready for check printing. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your tools and features are located. Next, look to the top left corner for the New button. This is where you create new transactions in QuickBooks Online. Click the New button and from the list of available options, select Print Checks. Choosing this option opens the area designed specifically for preparing and printing checks. Before printing your first check, click Print Setup at the bottom of the screen. This setup area helps you configure how your checks will print. QuickBooks needs to know how your printer aligns text on the page so your check details appear exactly where they should. For most users, the standard option works perfectly, so go ahead and choose standard unless you have a custom setup. Now it's time to preview your check. Click View, Preview, and Print Sample. This step is important because it allows you to see how your check layout appears before using any actual check stock. Take a moment to look closely at the positioning of the date, payee name, dollar amount, and signature line. Ensuring proper alignment now will save you from wasted check paper later. Once the preview looks good, print the sample. A helpful tip is to place your printed sample directly on top of your pre-printed checks. Hold them up to the light and compare the alignment. If the details line up correctly, you're ready to print real checks. If the dollar amount or any section appears slightly off, go back to the setup screen and choose No, Continue, Setup to make adjustments. You can nudge the alignment up, down, left, or right until everything matches perfectly. After everything looks accurate and properly aligned, click Yes, I'm finished. With that final confirmation, QuickBooks locks in your printer settings and you're ready to print your actual checks. Now you can select the checks you want to print, load your check stock into the printer, and print them with confidence. And that's all it takes. You've just learned how to print checks in QuickBooks Online with accuracy and ease. Once you get comfortable with these steps, printing checks becomes a quick part of your workflow, saving you time and helping you keep your finances running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next QuickBooks tutorial.